Hello. I think we can start the workshop today. Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining the workshop. This is Jack from HKUST Entrepreneurship Center. Today is the day 4 of the Techathon. I guess some of you may have already confirmed your business idea. And don't forget you need to submit a 2-minute video or a 5-slide PowerPoint by tomorrow 6 p.m. Today, we're so glad to have Mr. Shek here. Mr. Shek has a lot of experience in video production, from shooting to editing. He was the head of the video production team at HKUST. He is going to teach us how to make videos from scratch with our smartphone. So I'll pass the time to Mr. Shek now.
Okay, nice to meet you all. Okay, then basically in this workshop, I will show you how to use your smartphone to do video editing. I think you have already have download the software called Adobe. Okay, I share the screen first. Okay, I think you have already download the software called Adobe Premiere Rush onto your smartphone. Okay, so in this workshop, basically, I show you how to use the smartphone to do video recording. Before you start using your smartphone to record video, first thing you have to do is check the storage of your smartphone. Okay, we go to your smartphone. Okay, this is my iPhone. Okay, basically you go to setting. Sorry, wrong button. Okay, go to setting, and then you go and check. Go to general iPhone storage. Okay, here you can check how many storage still unused in your smartphone. Okay, my iPhone still have 34 gigabyte. That's good enough to record video. Oh, you have to check this before you start using your smartphone for video recording, or because video file size is really big. So if you have to spare more storage for this purpose. So check the iPhone first, just in case. If there is not enough storage for you to do video recording, then you have to delete some of your iPhone storage using on other apps. Okay, that is one thing that you have to check before you start using your smartphone for video recording. Okay, then when you start using smartphone for video recording, one thing that is very important, because you have to use your smartphone all the time, and if you switch off the airplane mode, sometimes people calling in or other messages going into your smartphone, you will be disturbed while you're doing your video recording. So whenever you want to record video using the smartphone, try to set the airplane mode on so that nobody can access you to your iPhone or your smartphone, so it won't disturb your video shooting all the time. Okay. When you start video recording, one thing that is very important, that is what kind of video resolution you're going to use for your video shooting. Okay. In your smartphone, go to setting and then move all the way to look for the camera. Okay, look for the camera, click on it. Then by default, my smartphone set the video recording to 1080p at 30 frames per second. Okay, there are usually different smartphones. They do have different video resolution that you can choose to video shooting. For my smartphone, I have 4 choices. One is 720p HD resolution at 30 frames per second. The second one is 1080p high definition video at 30 frames per second. By default, okay, this is the problem. Someone jump in while using my smartphone. If I didn't turn on the airplane mode, okay. So the fourth one is 1080 HD at 60 frames per second, and the last one is 4K. 4K means the resolution is 2160 plus 2130 and okay. The resolution is okay. Oh, it's gone. Okay. Okay, 4K is 2160. Okay, I have to switch off my airplane mode first. Okay, we go back to the camera again. Okay, so for this workshop, I prefer you need to choose 720p for your video shooting, or because your video you're going to produce need to be limited your file size to under 200 megabytes. Okay, if you're using high resolution video, the video you produce will be higher than the requirement. Okay, you can see from here. You can see from here that if you record it in 1080p HD at 30 frames per second, each minute of video approximately need you use up your smartphone storage to 130 megabytes. Okay, your requirements is to produce 2 video in 2 minutes. That means the file size, if you are going to use 1080p, then the file size is bigger than 200 megabytes. In this case, you cannot upload your file later on. So my recommendation is that particularly for this production, you have to select 720p at 30 frames per second. Or because if you're using this resolution, the video you produce in 1 minute is around 60 megabytes. That means you can produce video up to almost 3 minutes. Then 720p is your choice. Okay, but for regular video shooting, you can always change to another higher resolution for video shooting because the quality of the video is better. Another case, you can still using 1080p, but later on, I'm showing you how to use the software to do your video editing. At that time, when you finish editing your video, you can output your file in 1080p or resolution lower than 1080p. At that time, you can select 720p to output your video for this video. Later on, I will show you how to do it. But anyway, at the very beginning, if you select 720p, that means the video you record are all in 720p, and the output video can also be set to 720 P or later on. Okay, this is what you want to know. Okay, so go back to the software. Okay. Okay, then you start using your smartphone for video shooting. Okay, before you use the software to do editing, first of all, you have to select the video you recorded for this video. Okay, in my iPhone, I record video for this workshop. So you can then go to your video to look for it. Okay, airplane mode on. Okay, then how to do it? Okay. Okay, I change it back. Okay, where's Zoom? Yeah. Okay, we go back to my iPhone and check how to do it. Okay, first of all, you go to Photo, and then you can look for the video I have already asked you to download. Okay, this 7 video are the one that I have already put it onto my Google Drive for you to download to your smartphone. Okay, you have to select the video and create a new album to store all this video. Use it for your video editing. Okay, for this one, I select this one. This the video that I uploaded to Google Drive for you to use for this workshop. You select all this file, and then you add it to the album. When you add into your album, then you can have an album and name it to workshop. Okay, new album, EC workshop. Okay, then you have put all your video for this video workshop into a new album. Then you can start using the software now. Okay, I think you have already been download your video editing software called Adobe Premiere Rush. Okay, and then we can start show you how to use this software for video editing. Okay, click on the icon. Okay, while doing your video editing, you can turn on the airplane mode so that nobody can interrupt your work. Okay, but if you have no network connection with your smartphone, then your project produced cannot be uploaded to the cloud server of Adobe Premiere Rush. So anyway, it doesn't matter. You can still store your video onto your device. Okay, when you start your editing software, you can go to create new project. Okay, there are some sample media, we don't want to use it, then we go backward, and you can select video from your camera roll, video, or albums. Since I have already created an album for this workshop, then I can go to album here and look for the album that I created for this workshop. Okay, the last one, you click on it. Then you find the video that you use it for this video workshop. They are all 7 videos. Okay. Give the project a name. Okay. Then at this time, you have 7 videos selected for the video for editing. Okay. Before you start import all these 7 videos into your software, first thing you have to select the sequence of the video. Or because they have all together 7 videos, then you can select one by one in sequence. For instance, I would like to have the video selected from starting this one, and then the second video, and then the third one, and then the fourth one, fifth one, 6, and 7. Okay, this sequence of video that you select will be inputted into your video editing software, and they will post it one by one under this sequential line. Okay, then you can now create your project. Start, create, and then the software will import all your video onto the software. Okay, you can expand the video, and then you can clearly see the video you imported. Okay, and then you can pay back to check. Okay, since all this video, while you're doing video recording, you record background sound from the we record background sound at the scenes. So those background sound, usually we won't use it. Okay, then I tend to lower the background sound a little bit, or because when you're doing the video editing, the background sounds will become a noise that you feel not that comfortable with it. So how to lower the audio level of the background sound? The way to do it, select your video and then throw the bar underneath, select audio, then you can see from here. For this video, here is the background noise, then you really don't want to use it. Then you can lower the clip volume by clicking on clip volume icon here. Then you can move and lower the volume, or you can click on the number and then type in. Then you can lower the sound to only 5. Then you select another one, doing the same thing, 5. Go to this one. You select all the video and adjust the audio level. Okay, then you check again. You can hear that the sound is lowered and we won't create so much noise. Okay. Okay. After lower the background sound, then we can start editing the video. Since you have already been import the video by sequence, then it posts to the timeline one by one. You can check from it. Okay, this is the first one. Okay, the first video, the duration of the first video is around 30 seconds. And the other video a bit long, okay? Then we can trim the video now, okay? Select the segment of this particular video that you're going to use for your project. For instance, for the first clip, we need only 3 seconds or 4 seconds out of the 13 seconds. Then we can choose from here. Okay, play the video and select the location that you want to start using it. Okay, for instance, you want to start using the video from here. Okay, after 4 seconds. Then you go to the menu bar and move it all the way to here. They have a scissor. Then you can use the scissors to cut this video into 2 parts. Okay, how to do it? Go to the segment that you want to cut, select cutting the video from here. Then you click on the icon scissor. Then the first video we cut into 2 parts. Okay, since you want to start using the video from here, then the video before this point, you want to cut it out. Okay, how to do it? Select the first section and then click on the bin icon and delete it. Okay, and the first 4 seconds of this video will be cut out. Then now you can decide how many duration that you want to use for this clip. Then you can continue play this video. Okay. Okay, if you think this is enough. Okay, 5 seconds and 28 frames. Then we click on the scissor again, cut this video into 2 parts. Okay, the first part is the one that you want to keep. And the second part, you want to delete it. Then you put it onto the bin. Click on the bin icon. Then you can select the video that you only going to use for your video. Then we can check. Then only this part of the video is going to use for your video. After that, we go to the second one and check the second one. Okay, this video is a bit long. Then you would like to select only part of it. Then we can scroll and then select. Okay, I would like to start using the video from here. Then I try to cut it into 2 parts. Use the scissor icon, click on it, then select the one that you want to cut out. Okay, click on the bin icon, and then you can select how many seconds of this video that you want to use. Okay. 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 Here, when the Dragon Ball passed away, and then we would like to cut it into 2 parts from here. Click on the scissor icon, delete the one that you don't want to use it, and click on the bin icon. Okay, then this is the third one. Okay, I decided to use, keep the whole clip. And then this one. Okay, I would like to start. Okay, using the video after the guy close the umbrella. Okay, start using it from here. Then we click on the scissor icon. Select the one that you want to cut out. Click on the pin icon and then pay it back. Okay. Okay, that's enough. And then I can click on the scissor icon, delete the one that I want to color out. Okay, and then we continue playing the video. People are going back to the boat. And then they start moving away. Okay, then I start using it from here. Click on the scissor icon, delete the one that I want to color out. Okay, that's enough. And then I click on it and color out the one that I want to delete. And the boat will start leaving. Okay, I want to start using it from here. Color it out. Delete the one that I want to color out. Okay, when they pass all here. Okay. Then I click on the scissor, cut it out. Okay, then I finish editing the video and select the part that I would like to use only for this video. And later on, I can check the video file that I edited. Okay, that is the sequence. Okay, now we have finished editing the video. And then we would like to add some effect onto the video. Okay, for instance, when I start using the video here, I would like to fade in the first video clip. Okay, how to apply a fade-in effect onto the video. Okay, you have to apply transition effect onto the video timeline. Okay, how to do it? Okay, go to the menu bar at the bottom of the software. We can see they have an effect icon here. Click on the effect icon, then you can see they have different kinds of video effect that you can use. Okay, start from the first one, that is a dissolve to black to white, and then all other video transition effect that you can use. For instance, when we start using the video, I would like to fade in the images. Okay, what to do it? Select dissolve here. Click on apply, double click it on apply, and then you can see the video on your timeline turn black. And then you can play it back. Okay, then you can see that is a fade-in effect. Okay, the fade-in effect you apply onto the video with a duration of half second, 0.50. Okay, you want to extend the duration of the transition effect, then you can go to duration icon here, click on it. Then you can change it. Okay, or you can click on it and then select 1 second. Then you can see the effect applied. And the fade-in effect duration changed to 1 second. If you want a longer one, then you can go to 2 seconds, click on it, and then you can see the duration of transition is extended to 2 seconds. Okay, that is the transition effect add-on for dissolve. Okay, we go back, and then we go to the second clip here. Okay. Oh, I said that I accidentally add on the transition effect dissolve onto the second clip. Okay, I can see. Okay, extend it. Then you can see the icon here with the dissolve effect transition have been applied. Okay, I try it. Okay, or I can delete the transition. Okay, then you can see the transition in between video clip 1 and 2 has been deleted. Okay, and this time I would like to add on a transition effect in between these 2 video clips. Go to effect, transition, and then I would like to use a slide to left onto it, and the duration I change it back to 1 second, and then apply the transition effect onto it. Click on it, and then you can see I have applied a transition effect onto the second video clip and the third video clip. I can check the effect here. Okay, you can see here the transition effect. Okay, you can add on transition effect one by one whenever you want to use it. Okay, at the end of the video, okay, I would like to add on a transition effect to fade to black. Okay, do it in the same way. Go to transition and look for black here. Okay, apply the transition with a longer duration, 2 seconds. Go back to transition and then apply it. Then you can see the video will fade out at the end of the video. Okay, then you finish editing your video now. Okay, you may want to add on title or caption or name card onto the video. So how to do it? Okay, we move it to the first clip, and then we can produce title, name card for the video. Okay, I want to start with the opening title. How to do it? Go to the menu bar at the bottom of the smartphone, go to graphic, then click add graphic. Okay. Okay, since we don't have the internet connection, then we cannot use other titles provided by the Adobe Premiere. But anyway, they have still some other title that you can choose because it has already been downloaded onto your smartphone. Okay. If you want to have more effect or title graphic to use for your video, you can now turn off your airplane mode and connect to the internet. Then you can have other choices. But anyway, this is good enough. We still have a lot of video that you can choose to use. Okay, there's quite a lot of title effect that you can use. Okay, select anyone that you want to add onto video. For instance, I would like to select this one. Okay, select it, edit, and then you can see the title added onto your video. Okay, you can extend, or you can type the title onto the title page. Okay, double click on it, then you can type in the title. Okay, type in the title and then click OK. Then you can see that you have applied a title superimposed onto your video. Okay, for the title, you can also change the fonts, font style, font size, or other parameter from here. Okay, I won't show you other parameters because I don't have time to show it all. Okay, then you have the title page. Okay, after editing video, you might want to add background music onto your video. Okay, how to add on background music? Okay, go back to the menu bar and then go all the way to the beginning of the menu bar and try to select the sequence display mode here on the second icon. Click on it, then you can see your timeline change to 2 video layer and 3 audio channel. Okay, now I would like to add on music, background music onto the video. Okay, how to do it? Go to the menu bar, click on add icon at the beginning of the menu bar, click on it. Then you can see they have selection of audio. Okay, all because I don't have the internet connection. That's why I cannot access the background music server. Then I go back to my setting and turn off the airplane mode again, and then going back to the software. And now, okay, oh, sorry. That's the distraction. Okay, so they have sound effect, soundtrack, and loops music for you. Okay, for the one that have a star on it, that sound effect or soundtrack, you cannot be used because you have to upgrade the software to get it. But anyway, they have still some other soundtrack, you can use it freely. Okay, click on the more icon here, then you scroll all the way down, look for the one that didn't have the star here, there. Okay, all this audio track that you can use for free. Okay, I select one. Okay, this is okay. I select this one. Select this one for the background sound, music background. Add on it. Then you can see from here the audio track. Add on the music background. Okay, it seems that the background music is too loud. Then I can go. Okay, I know. Okay, yeah, you cannot hear the sound because I share the screen again. Okay, Okay, I forgot to turn on the share sound. Okay, now I forgot to share the sound of the software. Okay, the music a bit high, then we can adjust the audio of the background music. Click on the background music channel and go to audio. Then we can change to volume. Click on clip volume, and then we can lower the volume to 20. Then we check again. The sound, the background sound is better now. Okay, then you can add on the background music. Okay, when you finish editing the video, you would like to add narration onto the video because you want to talk, tell people what's happening with the video. You would like to record your voiceover or narration onto the video. Okay, how to do it? Okay, you select another audio channel because the audio channel 1 you have been selected to add on the background music. Then you select audio channel 2, click on the microphone, click on the microphone here. Click on the microphone here, you can see, you select this audio track, then you can add on voiceover from here. Okay, how to do it? Okay, you play the video, and then you prepare your script for narration, and then you can start record the audio. Okay, how to do it? When you click on the microphone, you can see they have a red button here on the audio channel 2. Then you click on the audio channel 2, click on the red button on the audio channel 2, and then you can record your narration. You prepare your script and then click on it. Then you have a countdown, 3, 2. Now you can add on your video, and the software will record your voice onto the audio channel 2. Okay, when you're done record your voiceover, then you press the button again. Okay, then you add on the voiceover onto the, okay. If you think the audio you record is not good enough, or you can edit your audio from here. Okay, for instance, some part of the audio you record onto the voiceover is not good enough, then you can edit it. For instance, I want to cut out part of the audio segment from here. Click on the scissor icon, then I check the audio. Okay, this is not good enough. Okay, I want to delete this section, then I can edit it. Push it. And then you can edit your audio track from here one by one. Then you can finish your work. Okay, this is almost 11:15. I think I have done editing, show you how to edit your video by segment and adding the title, adding background music, and also voiceover on it. Then I think I finished editing the video. Then I can check it again. Okay, oh, for the audio sound file, for the music background is too long. then I would like to cut it short. Okay, for this one, I delete it. Okay. Okay, then I finish editing the video. Okay. Okay, I done my work. And now I would like to output the video for you. Okay, how to output the video? Okay, since the video I provided for you for this video workshop is using 1080 HD resolution, that means the video I produce here is in video resolution 1080p. Okay, if you are using your smartphone to record your video in 720p, then the video produced in this software are in 720p high definition video resolution. But anyway, really depends on the video you produce. Okay, now I want to output the video because I done editing the video. Now you can, and the software, okay, so you want to output it. Okay, how to do it? Go to the software at the right hand side on the top of the menu bar. You can see they have an icon for upload. Okay, this one, click on it. Then you are going to output your video. Okay, the video quality, you can select video quality from here. Click on the quality setting. Okay, automatically, if your video recorded in 1080p, then automatically the software can output your video in this video resolution. If you are using 720p, the automatic setting is 720p. Okay, anyway, you can change the output quality setting. Okay, since my video provided for this video workshop is in 1080p, then you can see that there are other choices for you. For instance, if you want to output the video in 720p 30 frames per second for your project, then you can select this one. Or because we need to output the video with video size less than 200 megabytes. That's why 720p is the one you're going to use for it. Or because if you output in 1080p, then the video file size is going to be bigger than 200 megabytes. Okay, then you select 720p, 30 frames per second. Now you can click export here to output the video. Then the software will help you to output the video. Okay, it takes some time, but the video is not that long. And then I can wait until we finish. Okay, after you output the video, the software will save the video onto your smartphone. And now you can upload your video. By default, they have 4 social media platforms that you can upload. If you click on any of it, then you can upload your video onto those social media platforms. Okay, anyway, I'll try to upload the video on any social media platform. Then I click done. Okay, close it. Okay, this is the end of the video editing workshop. I will show you the video that I produced. Okay, go back to go back to your smartphone, look for the video. Okay. Oh, since I have turn on the Apple Cloud, then the video I produce now is uploading to my Apple Cloud server. Okay, take some time. Anyway, any question? If not, wait a little bit, wait for a while to until I finish uploading the video. Okay. I thought I go back here. Okay. 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 This is my email. If you do have any question later on, when you're working on your video and you have problem with that, you can send email to me, and then I can show you how to solve your problem. Okay. Oh, now the file has already been uploaded, and then I try again to let you have a look on the video that I produced. Okay. Where it gone? Where's the video? I quit it. Where's the video? Oh, I've been done uploading to. Okay, I still haven't finished uploading the video. Can I pause it? Oh. Anyway, I can go back to the software and then check the video again. Okay. Okay, when you quit your software, then you have to go back to your project once again. Okay, then you can see I have the project here. Click on the project. And then you can go back to your project, and then you can work on it again. Okay, this is the video I produced for you. Now you can, and the software will be. So here is the workshop. I show you how to do it. Okay, any question? Still haven't upload completed.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Shek, for the sharing. I think with the skills, I think for a layman like me, can also make a video. So it comes to a Q&A session now. If you have any question, feel free to type in the Q&A box. And actually, we got some question now.
Okay. Okay, Q&A here. Okay, for Adam, we want to know, can we add pre-recorded narration? Okay, you can record using your smartphone onto an audio file. Then you put a sound file onto your you record the sound file in your audio file folder. Then when you add on the audio, then you can have a selection that you go to your sound file to look for that particular audio you pre-recorded, and then you can use it and put it onto the audio channel. Okay. For the third audio layer, I think by default they have 3 audio layer, but still you can add on it and more layer, because you can see that they have already 3. I can share the screen now. We need to have a look. Okay, they have 3 audio layer. Okay, I think if I add on, I can move it and okay. Okay, they have now there are limitation for only 2 audio channel. Okay, but 2 audio channel only. So I think it is good enough for you to put all together 3 audio layer. Okay. Instagram. Okay. Okay. I do have the Instagram page. You want to know my Instagram page? Okay, I can. My Instagram page is same as my name. You can search it, Shek Kin-Shing. Then you can search my Instagram pages. Okay. Any question? No more question?
Any more questions for Mr. Shek? Or any effects you want to make, you want to include in your video? Okay, one more.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Okay.
Okay.
No more question? Okay, good. So thank you all for joining this workshop, and thank you, Mr. Shek, for the sharing. And I think it comes to the end of this workshop, and we'll see you at the workshop tomorrow. Goodbye.
Okay.